burglar alarm. That's the third time that thing has gone off this month. Police will be here in a few minutes. There'll be 2 sets of cop cars be running up here in a few minutes. They're supposed to charge them people when they have their alarms go off. The wind's howling here. It's about a 40-mile-an-hour wind, and it's blowing stuff into everything. Thing's really loud, ain't it? Does this every time the electricity flickers. Yeah, that's number 44, Moon River Drive. Burglar alarm goes off about every week. Very loud, isn't it? Cops ought to be here in a little bit. It's been about 5 minutes now. I wonder if he's going to shut it off. That's the next door neighbor. That is the alarm company. Cops now. They just made it. It's 1:30. Police just showed up there now. Third time this month they've been there. There it goes again. Sounds good, don't it? Works real good. Yeah, that's what we get to put up with out here. Regular. They have burglar alarm, false alarm. It ain't 44 Moon River Drive. Got the police up there now. There he is. He's coming around the front. Yeah, I like to photograph what's going on in this neighborhood. Sons of little bitches. False alarm all the time. They always got to have a backup for a false alarm. Got one there, one coming by here. What they got going on down there? This is really interesting. I'm a woman cop now. This must be the owners coming in now. A pair of them now coming in. Maybe they can get the damn thing to shut off. Darn thing. They sound good, don't it? What they doing about it? Police are sitting here and ain't even doing. They ain't doing nothing about it. You see that? They just sit there talking. They don't see the cop. The cop that's in that car there. He's the one that made it go off the second time.
Why?
He walked out on the dock. With that northeaster blowing. They just shut it off for. They set it off for a second time when the cop went up there. It went off again. Oh yeah. This is about every 3 weeks, isn't it? Every couple of weeks, every time the wind blows, the storm goes, they go off. Yeah, that's them. Sounds good though, don't it? Nice, peaceful neighborhood. Oh yeah, they always have two cop cars. Oh yeah, they all talk about us taking pictures of them because this is so regular that it happens every week. Every time.
Do they get their fine for that?
I hope they do. Yeah, there's supposed to be a fine for false alarms. Yeah. I mean, this is the third time in 2 weeks.